Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to do a custom sorting in PBI. This is a sample dataset which I created. So in the column A, you can see the brand name, and also in the column B, you can see units sold per month. So you have various brands like Honda, BMW, Hyundai, Tata, Mercedes, Suzuki, and also the units sold respectively. So now I want to load this into a PBI and then create a custom sort. So let's go to the PBI first. This is how my PBI looks. So you have a small visualization here, and the axis you have the branch, and in y-axis you have units sold per month. But you can see the sort order is more of like an alphabetical order. So now I want to customize this as per my requirement. I want to sort this brands based on the country of origin. So I have made a small list. So I am going to use that list and sort this data. Let me create one new column and let me name it as sort order. I want to sort German first. So let me mark this as 1. So BMW is a German. And then you have Mercedes 2. And then let me go to the Japanese. So I have Honda here, and then Suzuki 4, and then 5 Indian, and the last one Korean. So now I'll save this file, okay, and then let me go back to my PBI and refresh my file. This is my PBI file. You can see it's still in the same old sort order. So now what I'm going to do is refresh my pivot, refresh my file. So it's refreshing. So now I'll go back to my data and then let me select this sheet. Okay. And then brand. Okay. And now I have an option here, sort order, sort by column name. So I want to sort brand, this data based on the sort order. So let me click this one. Okay. I've selected this column brand and it's sorted based on the sort order. So now if I go back here, right, you can see the sort order has changed. You can see the Germans first, and then you have the Japanese, and then you have Indian, and then you have the Korean. So this is one of the simplest way to sort this data. When your data size is huge, you can try to create a mapping table like a lookup table or a dummy table and then link with this and then use a customized sort option. So this is one of the tricks we can use to sort the data in PBI. So this is a short video. So see you soon with new videos. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.